Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? Today, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to launch a healthcare staffing business online. In the United States, the healthcare staffing industry is valued at over $12 billion with an expected growth of 10% year over year. These type of staffing agencies will always generate steady income as long as they're able to supply organizations with the right people to do the job. So if you like building relationships and you want to make some money doing it, here's how to get started. So the first step in creating a healthcare staffing business is to decide on your specialty. I'm sure you're not an expert in every area of healthcare, and a good place to start is to decide where you can actually help. Many beginners choose to staff in an area where they've had the most experience. Most healthcare facilities find themselves needing doctors and nurses, healthcare leadership, case management workers, and clinical documentation specialists. Also, medical coding and compliance people are needed, medical technicians, and physician assistants. After you decide on your specialty, you can now proceed to step 2. Healthcare staffing is usually not a one-size-fits-all type of business. Before you approach your potential clients, you're going to need to outline all of your service offerings and your prices. Most staffing agencies charge temporary worker fees, temp to permanent transfer fees, and permanent placement fees. Depending on if the client chooses to hire a temporary employee or a full-time permanent one, most staffing agencies will charge anywhere from 1.5 to 2 times the employee's salary. Also, don't forget, you don't have to only sell staffing and recruitment services. You can also sell healthcare management services, healthcare technology services, healthcare software, software installation, healthcare analytics, healthcare data reporting services, all kinds of services to make money. All of these items will help build and manage your client's workforce needs. Once you've decided on your services and your pricing, proceed to step 3. Now it's officially time to register your business. You won't be able to accept payments for your services until you complete this step. You're going to need to register and apply for a federal EIN number and form an LLC or a corporation. I recommend using mycorporation.com as they do have a variety of packages to choose from, but their most basic package will get you started right away. After you've chosen a name for this business and you've registered it, you can officially open a business bank account. And it's pretty easy to open, but they won't get you set up without having that legal incorporation paperwork and the EIN number that I just spoke about. You can work with a local bank that you're already using or just choose a new one. Branding is one of the most important parts of creating a healthcare staffing business because it's your brand's identity that will speak to and leave a big impression on your clients. I recommend using 99 Designs because the process is quick and simple and you actually get what you want. For marketing materials, I really like to use Envato because they literally have tons of graphics for each and every single kind of business on demand. Healthcare staffing companies are usually going to need to start with a logo, some business cards, a PDF brochure, and some social media graphics. 99 Designs actually has what they call the brand identity pack that'll get you started right away. So the next step is to buy web hosting. I always recommend choosing BLUEHOST because they are the most reliable for businesses who need to set up their website for the first time ever. You get a free domain, a free SSL, and access to 24/7 tech support, so you really can't beat it. Once you pay for a plan with BLUEHOST, you'll get your login credentials, and you'll want to save this information and deliver it to the web designer in the next step. If you don't already know about FIVERR, it's a company that sells affordable web development and marketing services that get done really quick. All you need to do is go to their website, type in what you want in the search bar, and it's going to reveal a ton of people who are willing to help you get your website set up in less than 3 days. Once you've chosen the person that you want to work with, give them the BLUEHOST details and communicate your vision and your plans for the website. While they're working on your new website, you're gonna need to activate a merchant account for your customers to pay you through. Many businesses use PayPal, Square, or Stripe. I personally like Square because they make it super easy for me to accept payments online, via my website, via email, on a payment link, or even over the phone. An account with Square is free, so when you sign up, make sure you give these details to the web designer to complete the integration process. Okay, so now that you're all set up, how will you actually make money? Here's what you'll need to know in order to take a check to the bank. Whether you're launching this business solo or you've hired remote staff to get you going, your first initiative will be to generate a pool of potential job seekers. The most popular ways to source candidates are searching the internet job boards, doing outreach, setting up a paid lead generation campaign, posting general job listings on the most popular job boards, maybe even joining healthcare groups on social media, asking for referrals, and attending career fairs. After you've generated a pool of potential candidates, you can now sell the recruitment and placement services to healthcare facilities. Your company is going to be responsible for interviewing, evaluating their skill sets, conducting reference checks, background checks, and administering drug screenings. At the end of the day, all of this is factored into the fees and the prices that you're actually going to charge the client. And if you want to make even more money, you can sell custom tailored training programs for the candidates that actually help them improve their skills and their chances of getting matched with an employer. You may also decide to set up a subscription-based online learning center where they can download ebooks, guides, video courses, all to help them do a better job on the job. Any modern healthcare facility will always need technology and data analytics to help them manage their day and their operations. And there's big money in selling these kinds of products and services too. So combine all of these options that I give you and you'll have a 6-figure or 7-figure business in no time. Now, I know what you're probably wondering. What's the price tag on this baby? If you're looking to launch this online, startup costs for this kind of business are anywhere from around $500 to $2,000 on average. But if you plan on leasing office space, hiring multiple employees, people to sell, be prepared to drop the big bucks. Take a look at the bottom of this video. If you can use any of these products or services, please feel free to make a purchase. Every single sale helps support this channel and for me to keep bringing you the money-making tips. I'm also giving away my new marketing strategy book series for free. And if you want it, just go to my website, enter your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. And if you like this video, go ahead and drop me a comment, give it a share or a like. And until next time, guys, take care.